Okay. I started first experiencing them about 40 years ago. I have had a number of different symptoms throughout the years. I've had headaches and that type of discomfort, but the most predominant symptom, the one I came to see Dr. Urbanek for, had to do with tightness, pretty significant tightness of my jaw. It was so tight that when I was eating, my jaw at times would start clicking, and then eventually I would start there were a few times I actually locked and it was hard to open my mouth. And that's a really scary feeling when you're eating. And it made me uncomfortable sometimes about eating. So I had pretty significant tightness. It wasn't as if I was having a whole lot of pain before I came in at this point in my life, but pretty significant tightness to the point that it was really affecting what I ate. And I started eating soft foods, soups, oatmeal. This is not the way you want to lose weight, I can tell you that. My dentist referred me here. Right, they referred me. And I was really not aware that there was something that could be helpful to me like this. Other than take aspirin, those type of things, I really, for maybe some discomfort, no, I really didn't do anything in particular. Well, actually, within a couple of weeks, a few weeks, I experienced some significant improvement. I'd say about, I think I came in for my first follow-up within 3 weeks, and I had about 50% improvement. I had less, there was still some tension and tightness when I ate, and I was still a little concerned in terms of I was careful with what I ate. It has now been, since that 3-week follow-up, another 6 weeks, and I would say I have about 90% improvement, which I'm really, it's been amazing. And I've even tested it out. I've gone to a couple of restaurants where I've eaten before. I went to one in particular that where I knew I had actually locked up, and decided to go ahead and have the same food, and I was able to get through the meal and actually didn't have a problem. So I was, I've had maybe a little bit of a teeny bit of tightness, but it seems to be getting less and less. So I would say I'm now about 90% improvement, and that would be after, I guess, about 9 weeks or so. So it's pretty amazing. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good, making good progress, and I'm very optimistic. So Dr. Urbanek says we're still not done yet, and so you know, I feel very good. I'm really pleased. I didn't know this was available, and I really recommend this highly to people to give it a try. I mean, this is really, you'd be surprised at the results you get.